Good morning. It's very, very cold this morning. No frost, but it's flipping cold. I think it's the wind chill factor as usual. Let me just I've got the leftovers of my supper. I found a piece of glass in my supper and I was blaming the vegan sausage roll, but actually I think it was me because I use these old Pyrex plates to warm my food up and the edges chip. And I think it was a chipped edge, that's what it was. It was nothing to do with the sausage roll. Just frightened the wood pigeon. No change there. Robin was here earlier singing at me. That's why I decided I better come out. So he's about. Where are you, Robin? See if he'll come. Where's his fat bits? Come and get your fat bits, fella. Oh, put out some mealworms for him as well. Right. Well, he's about, but he hasn't come down. Sunny is probably down there. I did call her, she hasn't come up. And I thought actually that was a mistake because he probably wouldn't come if she was behind me. It does all fall down there, which is not great. I mean, it's okay if we've got wood mice. It's not okay if we've got rats. And remember, there has to be holes in it, otherwise the water doesn't, it will just collect water. Right, where are you, cat chap? Robin! Come on, Robin! Well, he was here earlier. Come on, Robin! Where are you? Yeah, I came up, I opened the door earlier and he was facing the house but in a tree singing. I actually thought he might come down and get me, but he didn't. And now he's vanished. Who's that? That's Blackbird. Blackbird's on top of the... You can see Blackbird's on top of the shed next door. Well, no, Robin. Come on, Robin. No, that's a sparrow. Thought that was him. There's a few sparrows in there. Where are you, Robin? Oh, it's hurting my hand. Arthritis in my hands and it's cold. It aggravates them, as I'm sure lots of you know. Oh, is that him? There's... Oh, is that a sparrow? No, that's a sparrow. So over there in the base of the bay tree, there's something, but I thought that was him, but it's not. I wonder where he is, because he's definitely about. You're not coming, Robin. Who's that? That's a sparrow. Look down there. There's a sparrow down there. Hopping about. Oh, well, that could be... It could be something to do with Robin not coming, but actually no, because she didn't come. Hello! She's going to go again. She's already had her wee indoors, which is completely my fault. Didn't tell her off. I got up late, so it's not her fault at all. It's not your fault, is it? It's your mum. Oops. Look, she's so doddery. She's so doddery, bless her heart. Oh no, she's going to fall down the steps. Oh. And then I slipped. Oh, what a pair we are. That's the trouble with little, I think it was that. You know, round things, you tread on them, that's it. It's like going, ooh, okay, folks. We'll leave her to do her what's-its. And I'll come and put food over here. And she's ever pooed in the garden before, but it's my fault. I haven't taken her out yet this morning. I'm very late. Ugh. That's grim. Right, put a few fat bits. really grim. That needs a scrub, doesn't it? I need to bring the brush up. That needs a scrub. That's not nice. Hello. Quick, run away. Oh. Oh, here he comes. I think that was him. Yes, it was. Why are you avoiding us, Robin? There he is. Hello. Wanted to do it by myself this morning. Didn't want any interference, human interference. He's gone again. Oh, it's all the sparrows coming now. I thought it was the robin. Look, it's all the sparrows coming. Yeah, all the sparrows are coming. They're a little bit freaked out by Sunny. Who's that? Was that Robin? I think that was Robin went over there. It's really windy, isn't it? The little sparrows are coming down. Is that Robin going back? Imagine pacing. I've got to remember where I saw her do that thing and go and pick it up before I tread in it. Yeah, lots of sparrows. All flittering about. Right, it's actually really cold, me holding the phone. I'm going to have to go in. Oh, there was Robin singing somewhere. I'm going to have to go in. I have to go in. So I'm going to have to pick up after this lady as well. Come on, let's go in. She's had her breakfast, haven't you? Come on, let's go in. Actually, I might feed the mice. I could hear something running about over my head this morning. I sincerely hope it's a mouse. It's obviously under the floorboards upstairs. I really hope I'm not feeding rats. Right. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'll have to find that. I'm not going to miss that. I'm not going to miss it. It's in... Well, she did it without falling down. Amazing. Okay, folks, have a good day. It's... Oh, the wind chill factor is like worse than when it was sort of frosty. It's really cold. Come on then. No, not going for a walk now. In here. Have a good day, folks.